Hello, welcome to Johnson Community College, week 12. Oh, yes, week 12 of English 112 online, fall semester 2019. We are made it to November. Fantastic. All right, so what's going on this week? Well, last week you submitted your paper, your first draft of your proposal paper, to the discussion board, and now it's time to make sure that you got those, your two reviews done. Okay, so again, you would go here, you click on the discussion board, you come down here, you click on proposal review, and then you'll see, now again, there's nothing here because we haven't started the semester yet, but you'll see a bunch of people's papers listed. Okay, pick those who have the fewest number of responses first. Do not respond to someone who's already got a bunch of people responding to them. Okay, that's not cool. Everyone needs feedback, and remember to answer those questions, which are found there on the discussion board. So you're supposed to do that for two other people's papers, okay? And there are the questions that I want you to answer, okay? Give them feedback so they know how to fix it, things that they need to work on before they actually continue with their final draft. Speaking of the final draft of their paper, and your paper for that matter, let's go back here to week 12. When does that due? Well, that's a good question. Okay, so we actually have, that's not due until November 21st. So, by the way, Thanksgiving is late this year. It was early last year, but so this is not on Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is like on the 28th this year. So you do have, this will be due the week before Thanksgiving. So you'll get your big paper in before Thanksgiving time, and then we have a few more assignments to finish up at the end. Okay, so that's the review. The review is the reviews for the discussion board are due by the 7th, and then make sure you do the proposal paper is due by the 21st. And that's what's going on for this week. All right, so do not wait to finish this up, because this is a big paper and worth a big chunk of your grade. So make sure you spend the time you need to. All right, go do it.